Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So here I'll share with you another airdrop opportunity called Bobaverse, where you need to complete some tasks to earn points and get rewards. The Bobaverse is a Web3 platform that merges bubble tea bubble culture with blockchain technology, offering NFTs, interactive quests, and a playful decentralized community for users to engage, earn rewards, and enjoy a unique digital experience. If you want the latest updates related to crypto and airdrops, you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide the joining link in the description, so check it out. So the joining process is very simple. I'll provide the joining link in the description. Simply click that link and you'll be redirected to this page. So here the first thing you need to do is connect your wallet. Here I'll choose MetaMask. Then click connect. Then confirm and it's done. Now here click join Bobaverse and you'll land on this page. As you can see, there are some tasks you need to complete. So let's connect the X account. Click authorize app. Then again click complete. Then follow the account and click claim. So it's done. Next, connect Telegram by clicking here. Click accept. Then click complete and join the group. Now click claim and it's done. Now join their Telegram channel. Then click claim and it's done. Here, as you can see, there are some more tasks. Let's click complete. Follow. And claim. Similarly, follow this one. And it's done. Now complete this one. So share this post and claim. Now click here, join the Telegram group, verify. And solve the captcha. Then go back and click claim. So all basic tasks are complete. So here, as you can see, there are some more tasks. If you want, you can complete them. As you can see, I've got 1100 points by completing the task. Here in the referral section, you can share your link with friends to earn more points. And I'll give you all the updates, so make sure to join our Telegram channel. So if you found this video helpful, then hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Goodbye.